Good morning, kids. I'm Mohana Ravi, your computer teacher. Hope you all are well and fine, safe at home. Be safe in this pandemic situation. Wear mask, wash your hands frequently when you're coming out. Be careful, okay? So today in this video, we are going to learn our fourth lesson, okay? We are going to learn our fourth lesson, keyboard and its keys. Keyboard and its keys, okay? These are the lessons we are going to learn today. The first thing is we are going to see a small introduction, okay? We are going to see a small introduction. Keyboard is an input unit. It looks like a typewriter, isn't it? It looks like a typewriter. It has many buttons on it and they are called as keys. Okay, whatever the keys, whatever the things, alphabets or numbers or special keys, whatever you see, all of them are called as keys only. Okay, each key performs various functions when pressed. In this chapter we will learn about different types of keys in the keyboard. Okay, so what are all the types of keys are there, we are going to learn. Okay, understand? Now see, first we will learn what are all the types are there. Okay, letter keys, number keys, arrow keys, special keys are the four types of keys are present. Okay, these are the four types of keys are present, right? So we'll see one after one. First we are going to learn what is letter key. Okay, so whatever the alphabets we see, that A to Z, all are called as letter keys. Okay, letter keys means alphabets from A to Z, whatever the letters are there, all are called as letter keys. You can see what are all the letters are there. You can find all the letters in here. Okay, you can find all the letters here. You can see, is it? Okay, letters keys are used for typing alphabets. You can type alphabets both in small and in capital. Okay, in smaller case and in capital case we can type. The letter keys are seen in the center of the keyboard. Okay, are in the center of the keyboard. Any keyboard you take, only in the center, okay, center of the keyboard, the keys are, alphabet keys are present. Okay, these are called as letter keys. Understand? Now we are going to see number keys. Number keys are used for typing numbers. The number keys are from 0 to 9. Each number keys also has a symbol on it. Number keys are placed above the letter keys. Okay, the just above the letter keys we can see these keys, number keys. All the numbers from 0 to 1 or 1 to 0 are present here. Okay, we can use these keys to type numbers. Then we can see these arrow keys. There are four arrow keys: up arrow, down arrow, left arrow and the right arrow. Okay, there are four types of arrows are present here. Okay, to move your cursor from left side or right side or upward or downward, so anything is possible. Understand? Now we are going to see a small picture how these keys would be appearing on your keyboard. Okay, so this is how the arrow keys would be appearing in your keyboard. Okay, hope you all understanding my thing. Then special keys. What are all these special keys? You can see here, enter key is also called a special key. Caps lock key is also called as special key. Delete key is also called as special key. Backspace key is also called as special key. And one more is space bar key. The space bar key is the most biggest key in the keyboard. Okay, this is the most biggest key in the keyboard, you can see. Okay, then we see this enter key. Okay, we'll see one after one all the special keys, what they are and how they are useful to us. Okay, enter key. When a command is typed through keyboard, the computer obeys it only when you enter key is pressed. Okay, so whatever command you give to your computer, okay, whatever command you give to your computer, After giving command, you have to press this enter key. Only then the computer will understand that this is a command and you want to perform it with the computer. Okay, so after every command, okay, you have to press this enter key. Only then the desired command would be applied. Okay, then caps lock key is for typing alphabet letters. When the caps lock key is on, the alphabet are typed in capital letters. Okay, and when it is off, the alphabets are typed in a small letter. It's all about switching on and off. Okay, if it is on, it will type only capital letters. If the key is on off, then it will type only the small letters. Okay, then we are going to see the space bar key. The space bar key is the longest key on the keyboard. When the space bar key is pressed, it leaves space between letters, words or numbers. It is essential below the letter key. It is seen below the letter key. Okay, so the space bar key is used for giving a gap between words and words. Okay, each and every word should have a gap, isn't it? Should have a gap. So in order to give gap between every words, we are giving this kind of a we are pressing the space bar. Okay, then backspace key, it is simply like deleting. Okay, the option is for deleting. Okay, when you have typed it wrong, okay, then if you are giving backspace, it will delete the thing which is entered from the back side. Okay, from the back side. Backspace key help us to erase a character in a word. When typed wrong from right to left, it is seen on the right end of the number key. So while typing, if you did any mistake, you can press enter. You can press backspace key, so that whatever the recently typed mistake ones will be deleted from your monitor. Okay, hope you all are understanding. Then delete key. What is the use of delete key? Delete key helps us to erase a character in a word. Okay, delete key help us to erase a character in a word. When typed wrong from left to right, it is seen beside the space key. Okay, when anywhere if you are typing, okay, anywhere if you are keeping your cursor in between the paragraph also, it will delete from left to right. Okay, whereas the backspace will right to left will delete. Here del key will delete the content from left to right. Okay, both will work vice versa. Okay, then now from this slide onwards, we are going to see our book back exercises. Okay kids, we are going to see our book back exercises. Now you all should copy this. Okay, you all should copy this in your textbook. Okay, copy this in your textbook. See here, name the keys. First one is enter key, then the space bar, then the up arrow key, then the numbers key, then the backspace key. Okay, so these are all you should write. Copy it down in your classwork. Okay, copy it down in your classwork. Okay, and these may come for your exam also. So go through this video again and again. Then you can see, pick out the odd one out. See, this enter key and spacebar keys are special key, but the capital A key is a odd one because that is a letter key. So that is the odd one. In the second one, you can see 1 and 3 are numerical keys, but the letter S is a alphabet key. So B is a odd one. Okay, then you can see down arrow, up, then the right arrow. But what is this slanting? We don't have any keys as such, isn't it? So this is the odd one. Okay, then in the fourth question, you can see X and Y are the letter key, alphabetical key, but one is a number key. 1 is a number key, so we have to so number 1, option A is the odd one. Okay, now in the fifth question you can see the backspace and the del key are the special keys. Okay, but the down arrow is not like that. The down arrow is different, that is the arrow key, so that is the odd one. Hope you all are understanding. Okay, then we will move on to the next one. Here I have already taught you how to do it. Okay, here I have already taught you how to do it. These are the rearrange the jumble letters. In each and every lesson we are seeing this. You have to split the word into two halves. You have to split the words into two halves. Here you can bring this CAPS caps, this CAPS caps word in front. Okay, the CAPS in front, so that it will become caps lock. Okay, see here, caps lock. Okay, caps lock is the answer. Then you can, in the second one, you can bring this ENT to the front. This will become enter. Okay, this will become enter. See here, the answer is enter. Then you can see here space. Space, you should bring this in the front, then it will become space bar. You can see the answer, it is a space bar. Then you can see here alphabet. Okay, bring this ALPHA alpha to the front, then this will become alphabet. You can see here alphabet. Okay, then in the fifth one you can see this arrow to the front, then it will become arrow keys. You can see here. Okay, so this is how you will split the words into two halves, and you will bring the last half to the front. Okay, so then the words will give you the meaning. Hope you all are understanding, and copy this in your textbook. Okay, then we are going to see the choose. Okay, choose. The dash key is the longest key on the keyboard. Which is the longest key? Spacebar key is the longest key. Okay, then computer accept the commands only when dash key is pressed, enter key is pressed. Okay, then we are going to see the third one. Dash key help us to erase a character from right to left. Right to left means backspace key only will erase a character from right to left. Then del key help us to erase a character from left to right. Okay, left to right. Then one more is the fifth one. Caps lock key is used to type alphabet keys. Caps lock key is used to type alphabets in the capital. Okay, caps lock key is used to type alphabets in capital. Okay, hope you all are understanding. I have given all the answer. Copy it in your textbook. Then draw the picture. Backspace, the longest key in the keyboard. Backspace key will be like this. Okay, then the enter key will be like this. Then 4 arrows will be like this. These are the 4 arrows. Okay, just simply you draw. Okay, then name the arrow keys used in the given shapes. You can see the first arrow is a backspace, then the second one is down arrow, then the third one is right arrow, then the fourth one is down arrow, then the fifth one is left arrow. All are arrow keys only. Okay, all are arrow keys only. Just copy it in your textbook. Then see here, color the caps lock mode. Okay, when the caps lock is on, the letters will be in capitals like this. So you have to color the on button. Okay, when the caps lock is off, okay, off, then the letters will be like this in small letters, A, B, C, D in small letters. Okay, so you have to color the off button. Okay, so this is how you have to attend this question. Then which key is used to give space between each word? Draw and name it. Okay, to give a space between each word, we use this space bar key. Okay, we use this space bar key. Just write space bar and give a rectangle box. Okay, give a rectangle box to it, the word. Okay, then see, there is a specimen specimen keyboard drawing picture have given to you, you have to write. You can see in center alphabet keys are there. Above the alphabet keys, as we studied in your textbook, number keys are there. Okay, below the alphabet keys, as we studied in textbook, spacebar keys are there. Okay, then see, this is the backspace key. This is the backspace key. Delete from right to left. Okay, then these are called as del key. This is called as delete key. Will delete from left to right. Okay, these are arrow keys. These are arrow keys. Okay, you can move your cursor from left, right, up and down. Okay, so hope I have explained clearly. Okay, copy the content in your textbook. Copy the content in your textbook. Write only the jumble words in your classwork. Write only the jumble words in your classwork, because we don't have any question and answer here in this lesson. Okay, hope you all would have understood my class. Okay, now it's time to leave. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you, kids. Bye.